Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Saturday! It's day 54 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's Sean and I.
That's us. If you don't know, we are the Quarantine Gardeners. This is our daily video log of what we're doing under quarantine in our own garden. And we wanted to do this so you could gain some inspiration or get some ideas of things you can do in your own garden while you're at home under quarantine.
So today we are in our greenhouse. We usually hang out in our greenhouse every day, but every Saturday we feature something related to our greenhouse and our seeds, seedling updates. We thought we'd show you some highlights because there are some really exciting new things that popped up this week.
Yep, we've got some surprises for you.
And we have some more planting to do, so we thought we'd show you what we're going to plant soon.
So here we are in our greenhouse again. Everything is popping up fairly well here. So we're going to move on down the way here and just show you our surprises.
Ooh, we're so excited.
Are right here. What do we got here, honey?
Our crocosmia that we planted back at the end of March. Finally, we are seeing some things pop up here.
Yeah, look at that. We were really worried that they weren't coming up, but lo and behold, there they are.
So that's super exciting. So we're really curious. We've never grown crocosmia from seed before. So this is kind of an experiment. And we're excited to see how fast these take off and what happens.
Just to remind you guys, these seeds are about 2 or so years old from a couple of our plants out front. And so we wanted to try and see if they germinate. And here they are.
Almost 2 months later, but here they are. It's so exciting.
So in other highlights, what else came up?
Well, with our globe amaranth, which actually we planted on the same day, we hadn't seen anything else other than this one cute little seedling here. And look at that, we have a new one.
Look at that guy right there. Look how tiny he is. Wow. Yep, coming out of the ground, finally.
Finally. So we don't know if it was the soil or just the fact that they just took a really long time to germinate, but we definitely want more of these. So I see us maybe planting one more row and maybe a different type of soil.
And just, if you haven't seen our previous episodes when we first planted all these, we used some recycled soil from last year. It wasn't the best stuff, but we used it anyway because we couldn't get anything else at the time. So that could have been the factor in these not coming up. So I'll give you a bird's eye view here. Here's our cosmos right here. That's really popping up. Then behind that over here is our zinnias, and they're really growing. So we need to get those out. They're starting to stretch, as many things in here are. And then we've got some amaranth and then some celosia. And those guys are going to start, they're going to need to be transplanted here. And then we've got our tomatoes and some peppers. They're coming along, but give them a few more days out here.
So we also thought we would show you, we haven't planted our Blackeyed Susan collection yet. So we are looking forward to getting these planted probably today. So first off, we have a Blackeyed Susan vine, which we think we're going to put on our new trellis out in the front yard. From Seed Savers, so we're really looking forward to growing these. Next, we have just regular Blackeyed Susans. So those, and we love these flowers. They're drought tolerant. They just look beautiful. They bloom forever. So this will be fun to grow. And we have this new one we're trying as well. It's from Floret Flowers, and it's a Blackeyed Susan Chimney mix. And we're really looking forward to seeing this pop up.
All these look beautiful. Can't wait to see them.
So there you go. That's our update. And I hope you're as excited as we are about the crocosmia. And we have a new globe amaranth. There's a lot of fun things growing. I would say almost everything in here is ready to be transplanted, with the exception of a few things, right?
Yeah, they really are. They're starting to stretch. They need to be set out in the full sun. We'll harden them off next couple days if we have the time. Or we might just plant some of them right into the ground right away. See how they do. And our nighttime temperatures are getting up there into the lower 50s. So if we don't harden them off before we plant them, they should do okay. So we'll see how they do, but it's a pretty good bet they'll be okay if they come straight out of the greenhouse into the ground. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We love hearing from you guys. And make sure to hit that thumbs up button and let us know if we're doing a good job. And make sure to subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our newest videos that come out.
And with that, you guys, we're going to sign off, and we hope you have a great Saturday ahead. Get outside and do some projects, get your hands in the dirt, and we'll be back tomorrow on Sunday, day 55.
Day 55. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. See you guys later.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.